From the story of the Triangle Factory Fire, guided close read. History writers often use chronological order. That means presenting events in the order in which they occurred. Dates and words can signal chronological order. Reread lines 1 through 14. Identify words that signal chronology, then summarize events in chronological order. Pause while you think. Words indicating chronological order: the days following, soon, now. Officials investigated the tragedy's cause. They found many issues with the building. Others claimed there were many other unsafe buildings. When an author's point of view is subjective, he or she reveals personal feelings. When an author is objective, he or she sticks to just the facts. Reread lines 15 through 28. Determine whether the point of view is subjective or objective. Explain why. Pause while you think. It's mostly objective because Kent reports the facts of the trial and quotes people with opposing viewpoints. But it's also subjective because he uses quotations that are emotional and powerful, such as quotations calling the owners murderers. In lines 39 through 41, the author is describing what happened after the fire, which occurred on March 25, 1911. Reread lines 39 through 41. How long did it take New York state lawmakers to pass safety laws for workers? Pause while you think. Laws were passed within 3 years after the fire. An author's perspective is the combination of ideas, feelings, values, and beliefs that influence the way the author presents information. Reread lines 41 and 42. Identify evidence that reveals the author's perspective. Pause while you think. New York State's Industrial Code, the finest in the nation. Does the statement reveal an objective or subjective point of view? Pause while you think. Subjective, because it is the author's opinion. History texts may sometimes refer back in time to earlier events. Readers must pay close attention to determine the time period being referenced. Reread lines 45 through 51. Determine when Frances Perkins made the comments that are quoted and what those comments refer to. Pause while you think. She made the comments when she was working on the Factory Commission, sometime in the years after the fire. Perkins recalled what she had seen on that day.